How to install the V2C Control Box 2.0 meter to perform local load balancing between several Trydan chargers. In every electrical installation, there is a meter to monitor the power we consume, which is connected to the main panel. In some cases, clients have solar panels that supply energy to the same main panel. This main panel powers all devices, including household appliances and other equipment. Now, how is the power supply branched from this panel to the chargers? Keep in mind that the current design allows balancing a maximum of 10 chargers, composed of one master charger and 9 extra chargers. The master charger has charging priority and is responsible for organizing the load between the e-chargers. After having the chargers installed and powered, we must install the V2C Control Box 2.0 meter. It has a total of 6 ports. The first 3 correspond to the clamps that go around phases 1, 2, and 3 of the main line, to obtain global measurements including the house and the car. Ports 4, 5, and 6 correspond to the phases coming from the inverter. In the case of a single phase installation, we will use one clamp on port 1 and another on port 4. There are 2 ways to balance the load between several chargers. On one hand, via router connection, either way by Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and on the other hand, by serial connection, either through the A and B terminal or through RG45 hub. Router connection by Wi-Fi or Ethernet. In this type of setup, all devices must be on the same local network and connected through a single router that has internet access, either by Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Ethernet is only possible with the Trydan Pro model. It is essential that all devices participating in energy management have their IP address on the same subnet. For example, one charger may have IP 192.168.1.38, another 192.168.1.27, and another 192.168.1.45. To make the connection by Wi-Fi, you must ensure that the network is stable for all e-chargers. The serial connection can be made through the A and B terminals of the control board or through the V2C RG45 hub. With the A and B terminals of the control board, we connect the V2C Control Box 2.0 meter to the master e-charger via the RG45 port using a category 6 UTP cable. Then, we connect 2 wires, the blue one from terminal A of the master charger to terminal A of extra charger 1, and the white blue one from terminal B of the master charger to terminal B of extra charger 1. We continue like this for each additional extra charger we want to add. Remember, the maximum is 9. This is the most recommended method for performing load balancing. The other way to make the serial connection is by using a V2C RG45 hub. To connect the cable between the hub, the Trydan e-chargers, and the V2C Control Box 2.0 meter, follow the T568A or T568B crimping standards for the RG45 connector. Once the cables are crimped, we must connect the V2C Control Box 2.0 meter to the CDP port of the hub, the Trydan master charger to the master port, and the rest of the extra chargers to the other ports. In either of the 2 serial connection methods, via terminals A and B or via the hub, it must be ensured that the bias resistors are activated on only one device in the communication bus. If none are activated, they must be activated on the master charger through pins 4 and 5 as shown on the screen. To activate power control in the V2C Cloud app, select the charger, enter its configuration, select the power control section and press the button to activate it. Then, you must choose the type of power control, static or dynamic. Next, select the number of e-chargers to balance, the device type and the model. Then, select the installation scheme and installation type and indicate the maximum charging current. Finally, press the save button and the charging point will reset. On an extra charger, the same must be done. This configuration must be done on each of the e-chargers that are part of the load balancing system.